What's going on, guys? How's everybody doing? Welcome to my channel. This is your boy AJ Aguilar, and this is how to reviews and interviews. Today, we're gonna go ahead and fix this problem. I just flushed it right now, but actually, I'm gonna flush it right now. So when she flushes it and she lets go, it keeps running, and this is the reason why. The flapper right here is not big enough for this. Right here is a 2-inch flapper, and the one we got is the 3-inch flapper. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this. First thing you gotta do is turn off the water right from here. Okay, you're gonna turn it off right here, boom, off. And as you can see, it stops running water. We're gonna go ahead and take the rubber flapper and replace it with a new one. So what you do is just basically take it off from here, and you're gonna take it off from the other side. It was broken for some reason. I guess somebody pulled it or something, they broke it. So you guys can see it's broken. This is the one she had, is a 2-inch flapper, and the one we're gonna replace is a large 3-inch universal flapper. Okay, so this is how you replace this. Okay, you see these little tool handles right here? There are plastic. All you gotta do is just push them into those little arms right there, and that's basically it. And then you basically just adjust the little metal clip to your liking and test it out. And we're gonna go ahead and see how it goes. Let's go. Here, push one in carefully. You push the other one. Then what you do is get this handle. See, it was right up here, but I moved it to here so I can go ahead and clip it to your desired hole, because there's 3 holes here. There's 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3, and you can put it whichever one you like and test it out. Now that you have it there, you want to test it first without water. Okay. That's on the second hole. Go ahead and turn on the water. You can see the water's running. You gotta make sure you let it fill all the way, and you're gonna go ahead and test it out. As you guys can see, there's no water running anymore. So if your toilet, your rubber flapper is leaking, check your flapper size and the size of the hole of this, and that should fix your problem. All right, let's go.